Hello everyone, this is Yogesh Joshi this side. I'm part of DG Analysis Media as well as Indian Chemical News, which are the two primary platforms which I represent, information-based knowledge sharing platforms. Today is 7th of January 2021 and I am in Jodhpur, and my current location is Police Commissioner's office, and I have with me Mr. Jose Mohan. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And firstly, thank you for giving me this opportunity to have a short chat about how Jodhpur Law and Order and Police Department, what all things are doing. So my first question would be to start with a brief short introduction about your current portfolio which you are holding in Jodhpur administration.
Jodhpur Commissionerate primarily looks after the Jodhpur Development Authority area, which includes the corporation area plus the periphery area. So policing in this area is looked after by the Commissionerate, and there is a coordinated effort for check on all kinds of organized crime and other illegal activities.
So, in terms of some, I saw some messages which are posted in the public domain, like cyber crime, then women safety helpline, so which gave me a very good impression about these schemes or these services which are provided by Jodhpur administration as well, the police department. Can you talk a little bit more about any of the schemes where digital, let's say, or a device-based or a technology-based services is currently being provided by your team?
As far as cybercrime is concerned, we are conducting regular campaign primarily to generate awareness among the customers, among the public.
Okay.
So this is the most effective way for preventing or reducing the incidents of cybercrime.
Okay.
That is on one side, and on the other side, we are also promoting people to come forward, register cases. There may be an increase in number of cybercrime case registration,
Okay.
but those who are aggrieved, they will get relief once the case is registered, and the criminals will be booked only with the registration of case. So we are taking a two-prong strategy in which awareness generation and again reporting of all incidents. These are our primary focus. Then coming to what you are mentioning about the atrocities against women, definitely we are regularly conducting campaigns, and there also our focus is to get more reports. If an incident happens, then it should be reported. Then to prevent it, our focus is to sensitize the maybe those who are vulnerable. Like colleges we go, we tell the boys also that these are the law, and don't get into unnecessary trouble by violating the law. So we are taking these social issues as a we are addressing it comprehensively, and a holistic approach is taken to address this problem.
Wonderful. Any other scheme or any other program that you believe you are currently working on and which is helping the citizens to live their life?
There are many other programs which we have undertaken in Jodhpur. For example, traditionally, if you see in Rajasthan, most of the cities are covered by fort-based or gate-based policing. If we go back maybe 70 years or 100 years back, most of our cities we can see there are all important entry-exit points are covered by gates. So similarly, what we have done in Jodhpur is all important entry-exit points are covered by permanent nakas provided with vehicles and CCTV cameras. So this CCTV camera will give an enhanced security feeling, and whatever happens in all important exit and entry places of Jodhpur, so those are recorded 24 hours. So this is one can say one initiative. Another thing is that we have taken a mass campaign on enhancing the spread of CCTV cameras in the city.
Okay.
So this is primarily achieved through public participation and by a decentralized approach. We are not asking for public to centralize the CCTV servers, recorders, DVR. So we are asking every mohalla, every market, all important financial institutions, religious places, educational institutions, all these important places where there is activity. So these places should be covered by CCTV cameras, and the local recording should happen at their end. It is not. We have government installed CCTV cameras. Quite good number of cameras are there. That is centrally that is controlled at central level, like we call it Abhay Command Center.
Okay.
So there are various schemes which we are implementing.
Wonderful.
So it's going on.
Wonderful, thank you, sir. You just mentioned a word which I might have heard it, or let's say intentionally or unintentionally, COVID. This is a word which does not bring happiness to anybody's face. So this is an era where currently we all are living. World, if the whole world is living, any specific things or any specific activities that your department has undertaken during this period to safeguard firstly your team and then the citizens of this particular state?
Yeah, during Corona initial period of lockdown, thereafter unlockdown, and the continued period of enforcement related to Rajasthan Epidemic Diseases Ordinance. All these time it was quite challenging, and we got tremendous support and appreciation from the local people.
Okay.
They were all cooperating with us. There, I don't think there is any incident worth mentioning which created any kind of tension during this entire Corona period. So there is a good harmony. People wholeheartedly supported the enforcement related to Corona. So this was the time where police got much closer to the public, and people also they were very supportive, and like police and the public or the bhamashas, they joined together. They distributed a lot of food materials, ration. Those who are actually not in government records, but they are suffering. Policemen, in spite of all fears of Corona, all possibilities of infection, but still police personnel went there, provided food to the needy, so timely things, and it was very well organized, and luckily because of all concerted efforts there is a considerable reduction in number of Corona positive cases also.
And this is a kind of a mandatory kind of a question or a customary question when I am sitting with a policeman, cop वाला जो होता है वो भी होता क्या है कि डर लगता है, that state of fear comes into my mind that I am sitting somewhere which is not a nice place. So this is a larger perception, and maybe I might be thinking so.
It's a nice place. It's quite a welcoming place, and generally we are working a lot on to change. If at all there is any apprehension among the public about maybe policing, style of functioning, all those things, we are continuously working on it, and we are telling our people also to improve their dealing with the public, contact with the public, and a better behavior is we are time and again we are telling people and trying our best to improve the behavior and style of functioning of police.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us today in this wonderful, exciting conversation. And my last word my side is that based on my experience of the last 4 days that I have been there in this excellent city called Jodhpur in Rajasthan, from a law and order side of it, wonderful. All the guys, all the teams, all the cops, they are doing an exceptional job, especially in the COVID era, where people are trying to run from each other just to safeguard their lives. But these guys are doing completely opposite of it, because they know if they will not be there where their duty is, something bad might happen. But they are fearless. They are performing their duties, irrespective Corona hai ya nahi hai. With this message, I believe It's an excellent place, wonderful city. Cops यहाँ के जो है आपके friends हैं, brothers हैं, वो enemies नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से. They are not कोरोना टाइम वाले लोग, कम्युनिटी के नहीं है वो लोग. They are, be assured, rest assured, you are safe and you are secure in a city place like Jodhpur. Thank you. This is Yogesh Joshi. I'm signing off. Over and out. Have a safe and secure and healthy life. Bye bye till we meet again. Thanks. Bye. Namaskar.